Today was a little special. It was Mother's Day, my husband's birthday, and Jack's first trip to the beach.
What are you doing in my phone?
Taking a video since I can't use my phone because we had the music on my phone. It's Jack's first time in the beach. Take me down to the water. Jack.
We weren't sure how he'd react to the ocean.
Hey, Jack. No more? No water? Come on. Come on. Come on. You're supposed to give it a break. Hold on. I was supposed to have, 4 days.
Fun fact, Jack destroyed his second harness, so we had to improvise today.
Because I couldn't just stay still like that. So my body healed me walking. Telling you, Bailey thinks she's a man. But the way that she eats, she's literally just lifting her legs up. I guess she really wanted to be part of it. And she heard the commercial taste it. She thought it was Skittles. Also, she can't see. It's just. Yeah, she can see. Blue. They can see red, right? And white. They can see black, right? They forget all red or green. Green or green. Well, like red and green. And yellow. I think
These are the moments that make building a life in Puerto Rico feel worth it. If you enjoyed spending the day with us, don't forget to subscribe and follow our journey. Until next time, we'll see you on the island.